My favorite station was the drumming and the dance. I like the scavenger hunt. I just did the scavenger hunt. I liked it. I liked it a lot.
It's for families. It's during Black History Month, and I'm supposed to be here.
It's obviously a beautiful day, just especially during Black History Month, to expose the youth to that there is so much history right here in the Commonwealth of Virginia, and Fort Monroe is the perfect place to tell the entire story of our history, just to commemorate and to celebrate. So I think that it's very important, and it's amazing that it is a free event and accessible to all.
It's like a joy. It's like a welcome home. You know, we get to be ourselves again where we were not allowed to be ourselves. And now we get to celebrate and also welcome other people to celebrate with us. It's very, very indicative of our culture, of our people. It's beautiful.